Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another 5 DIY. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, this video was popping cool. Y'all already know what to do. But to everybody that's new, I do a lot of DIYs. I do a lot of lifestyle content, tips and tricks. Y'all, like, it's busted over here, so it's never too late to join the fam, so go ahead and subscribe. But I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this jacket. I'm gonna give y'all a little peeky peek. Yes, y'all, I made this out of some old dirty hats that my man was gonna throw away. Y'all, who dirtied them up? I did, but it is what it is. But yeah, this is the jacket. If y'all want to see how I got it, then stay tuned to continue watching.
Hey babies, so y'all know I like to get right into it. So I'm starting off with these old dirty hats. Yes, I said dirty, so don't come for me in the comments because I already let y'all know. But my man was gonna throw them away, and of course y'all already know I had to come up with something to create. So I decided to make this jacket. So first off, we're gonna start off drawing a couple shapes that I kind of thought of. So right here we are drawing a heart. Of course it's not 100% perfect, but y'all get the picture. It's a heart. And the next shape we're gonna go ahead and draw a triangle. But while we doing that, I just wanted to announce, I did announce it in my last video, but I want to announce it again because I feel like it's still fresh. Your girl went viral on TikTok and Facebook for my wire bra. So make sure y'all go and follow me on all my social media platforms, my TikTok and also Instagram and all that other good stuff. And then the next week after that, y'all are uploading my ADIDAS outfit. I'll post that up above and also in the description box, and that one went slight viral on TikTok as well, so it's lit, y'all. Like I said, make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. And this video, I'm gonna try not to do too much talking, so I'm gonna let y'all kind of enjoy it. Any questions, make sure y'all comment down below, and I got y'all. Okay y'all, so on this hat we are doing a teddy bear. It was actually super freaking easy, believe it or not. So I'm really trying to get you guys to engage more with me on my YouTube channel. So I tried this thing on my TikTok on my video, and I was basically asking people who's their favorite Grey's Anatomy character. If you don't watch Grey's Anatomy, then of course you can't participate in this one. But comment down below your favorite Grey's Anatomy character. Let me see how it works. I really cannot decide. I like all of them. Like, I can't choose one. And I'm still watching, so make sure y'all don't spoil it for me. But this is like a little teardrop on this hat, and right now what I'm doing is cutting out all of the straps from the back of the hat. Okay, so now that we have all of the straps cut out, we're gonna go ahead and cut out the polo signs. And I just wanted these like in a small rectangular shape, not too much extra background on it, mainly just the polo sign, like so. And I am going to do that for every hat. So at this point, this is what you should have. And now I'm going to go ahead and Yeah, my little OCD kicked in. I had to put the colors and stuff together. But now I'm going to go ahead and cut out all the shapes that we drew around the polo sign. Okay, so y'all, I really feel like this video was definitely super easy, very beginner friendly. So oh, look at my little cute heart, it definitely came out super cute. And look at my triangle. But if you're still here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You're always welcome here. So right here, now we're gonna take out cut out the little circles, like just a couple, because we're gonna put these all around the jacket. And y'all see my little star right there? I didn't use it actually. And also right here, this is the last thing we should be taking off the hats, is a couple tags. I didn't take off every tag. I only used like maybe 4 or 5 tags, and we're gonna place these on the jacket, some on like the heart and the bear, and then some on the strap parts. When I was doing this part, I was just like, yes, it's gonna be so fine. Like, yes. So now we're gonna go ahead and sew the polo signs to the pieces that we want to put them on. Okay, so now with the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and pin everything to the jacket. This is not the permanent process, so you can move stuff if you need. And right now I'm just testing everything out to see how it looks. And of course, like right here, I did not like this, so I am taking them apart and putting them in other places. And yeah, I'm just testing it out, seeing where it goes, and putting it to my liking. And of course, when you do yours, you can do it to how you like it. But just looking at this, it turned out super cute. I didn't want to like really overdo the jacket, if you know what I mean. So I wanted to keep it nice and simple, and that's what I did. So now at this point, we're gonna go ahead and sew everything down. Like, look at those little colors. And also, if you can see, I did end up finding an old white hat as well, so we added white. But yeah, we're gonna sew everything down that we can sew, and the things that we can't sew, we're gonna go ahead and use the hot glue gun. If you're still here, subscribe to the channel. I don't know why y'all playing with me. Go ahead, subscribe. This month I'm trying to get to a goal on my followers, so make sure y'all follow me. And y'all can't tell me that this polo bear and this heart don't look super official, like with that tag on it. Like, I am really fucking with this jacket. Like, this go crazy, and I'm not even finished yet. It's lit, y'all. I'm finna go real far with this. Mark my words. Mark my words. Also, if you guys was already following me on social media, y'all would know this, but I am taking custom orders. So if you need any custom orders, make sure y'all hit me up. So DM me on Instagram or Facebook, and you can also email me. So right here I am gluing down my little circles. I decided to put all of them right here. Well, just this little, I feel like this would be a nice little signature statement little piece right here. And then I will be doing like all the other ones, like all around the jacket, small little areas, you know, keeping it nice, cute, and simple. But after I finish this, that will be it. So here's the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all will rock this jacket. Let me know if y'all want one of these jackets. But this is the final and finishing look on the mannequin. And of course, y'all already know I had to throw a little slight little outfit together and put it on for y'all. So this is it. I absolutely love the outcome of the jacket. My favorite parts are clearly the hearts and the teddy bear and these little polo signs. So let me know what's your favorite part about the jacket. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'm out. Peace.